Today we're going to learn about how to calculate the Food Wars total. And don't worry if it goes too fast. This video will be on YouTube so you can watch it at your own pace. First, you can begin with a somewhat simple example. Everything will have 10. So that's $10, 10 cans, 10 box tops, 10 nickels, 10 dimes, 10 quarters, and 10 water bottles. So the $10 will convert to $10. We're converting everything to money first. The 10 cans, at 50 cents a can, will convert to $5. The 10 box tops, at 10 cents a box top, will convert to $1. The 10 nickels, at 5 cents each, will convert to 50 cents. The 10 dimes, at 10 cents each, will convert to $1. The 10 quarters, at 25 cents each, will be $2.50. And the 10 water bottles at 50 cents each will convert to $5. Next, we will find our totals. So our positive total would be 10 plus 5 plus 1. 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 plus 1 is 16. So for our total for the positives, we'll put 16. And since 16 ends in 0 or 0.5, then we'll just keep it the same. We don't have to worry about rounding. Next, we'll do our negative or sabotage total. So we have 50 cents plus $1 would be $1.50 plus $2.50, so that's $4, plus $5 would be $9. And then again, since it ends in an even dollar or 50 cents, we will then keep it, and we don't have to round. Next, we'll take our positive, which is 16. Our negative is 9. And then, you see the equation here, 16 minus 9 is 7. And then, we will multiply it by 2, because now we want to convert back to cans. If you have $7, you would have 14 cans. And that would be your Food Wars total if you had 10 of everything. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little bit more complex example. So in this example, we have $1, 0 cans, 3 box tops, no coins, and 24 water bottles. When we calculate that to money, the dollar stays $1, 0 cans is $0, and 3 box tops is 30 cents. Making our positive total $1.30. And since it doesn't end in 0.0 or 0.5, we need to round it. So we're going to round it to $1.50, since that's what it's closest to. Then for our negatives, we have 0 and then 12. So our total would be 12, and that does end in 0, so it will stay as 12. So our rounded total is for positive is $1.50, and our rounded total for negative is $12. And then we're going to subtract. But as you can see, the negative number is higher than the positive number. So that means that our overall total is going to be negative, since we have more negatives than positives. It also means that we need to switch the order when we're finding the difference, because we can't take 12 from $1.50, but we can take $1.50 from 12. So we would have 12 minus $1.50, but we know that it's going to be negative. We know it's going to be negative because we have more negatives. So, and make sure when you subtract, you line up your decimals, because you don't want to make a mistake just because you were off. So, 0 minus 0 is 0. And then you can't take 5 from 0, so we're going to have to move that over. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 1. And then our decimal point, 2. So our total for money would be $10.50 And then in order to convert money to cans, we would multiply that by 2. And then 1050 times 2. Remember, we still got to keep the negative. We don't want to lose our sign. And then 1050 times 2 would be 21. So our total cans would be negative 21 for this example.